Hi, guess what we're doing today? I can't believe that this is actually real life. I can't believe this is the video I'm filming right now. We are in the car. We are on our way to go see Tim because he is currently working on our new house. We bought a house. I can't believe I'm finally sharing this with you. So in today's video, we are doing an empty house tour. I'm actually currently on my way to go bring Tim some lunch because he's been working there all day, and I want to do like an updated, because like so much of it, as you'll see, has been ripped out. But first we're gonna go get some coffee and then we're gonna head over there. Can I please do a grande iced coffee with just cream or half and half, and then the salted caramel cold foam and caramel drizzle on top, please? I've been thinking about how I can't wait to go get a coffee and then take you to see our new house for so freaking long, and I can't believe that it's actually happening right now. I'm so excited. This is crazy. This is crazy. I'm looking around and we definitely need to do a car clean out soon. Very soon. We may include that in my next video. I think my next video is going to be like just a general house reset, because my home and my car need a reset, but then like with a voiceover of life updates. Thank you. I love when there's just like a perfect pull-in spot and somehow I'm still not parking perfectly. This looks so freaking good. So good. I typically just do half and half, but today's a fun day, so I'm having a fun coffee. This is a grande iced coffee with some half and half, but then for fun, I love adding the salted caramel cold foam with some caramel drizzle. And it's so good. Game plan for right now. First, I'm gonna backtrack and share the empty house tour that I did when we first moved in, when we first got the keys, before we started any demo or anything, so you can like see the whole starting point. And then we'll come back to, well, like currently I'm about to go over there, bring Tim some lunch because he's been working all day, and then do like a little updated where we're at with all of the renovations and everything. We won't be moving in until like late fall, most likely, because we still have to have our cabinets come in. We're like completely redoing the kitchen. Tim is doing most of the work himself. He is an incredibly handy man, but he's obviously only one person and he works full-time jobs, so this is all like weekends and after work. Now we're gonna get going to the house. I'm so excited to see the progress. I was there like a week ago, but Tim works fast and he gets stuff done quick, so I'll see you there. This is the most surreal thing ever. Okay, it sounds echoey because this is my empty house tour. I am standing, I still can't believe this. This is ever since I just walked in like 10 minutes ago. My mind is actually blown. Tim is upstairs playing with Louie, and so we're gonna do a downstairs tour and then we'll go upstairs, but this is the door. I can't believe the last time I did something like this, it was my condo. So you walk in, you have stairs, and then I love how big this hallway is. This room right here is currently the dining room, or that's what they were using it for. You can see the kitchen is back there, but our plan is to actually close this off, and this is going to become my office / a guest room. So this will all be closed, and this is the kitchen, which we are going to be completely tearing out. Actually, that starts tomorrow. This is the starting point. Actually, I want to get like a full-on, don't mind my coffee. I can't wait till I can do this, and then it's just gonna fade into the after of like the updated kitchen. So our current plan for this kitchen is we are going to be ripping literally everything out. My phone in here. And then I think instead of a peninsula, we're gonna end up having an island, but we're still kind of measuring and getting everything all figured out. I love how there's big windows here. And then this back wall is gonna be like where the fridge goes, and probably like that's, I mean, currently a pantry, it'll stay a pantry. And then more counters and cabinets potentially, but we'll see. Also, you can see here, this is obviously up against the corner. Tim's plan is to break that down so that this can be an actual corner, and then the stove is gonna go over here, and then the fridge is gonna go somewhere along this wall. And like I said, that's gonna get closed in and there'll be more storage. We've got laundry and then a little bathroom, although our plan is actually to add another bathroom to the first floor. Tim actually already got a sink and a toilet off of Facebook Marketplace. Like a super small powder room. I think that's gonna go somewhere over there. I don't know, he's got his whole vision, but it goes from the kitchen, and then we have the dining space, and then this is the main living area. I love these doors, by the way. All these doors make me so happy, but we have a fireplace, and then this is like kind of this whole room area space, which I think that side is probably gonna be more of a play area for Louie. I feel like I've been like thinking and wanting this moment for so long, and the fact that it's finally here. I mean, we're not moving in for a little while because Tim is gonna do most of the renovations, and so that's gonna take some time, but I can't wait until this is all like what it's gonna be. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm gonna get a couple of shots without me talking just for like, so I could do before and afters once things are done. Oh, and since this is gonna be my office, we are planning to put doors here as well. Okay, let's go upstairs. Didn't even notice that before. They already have little inserts to add a gate, although we'll probably do different ones. This, I'm pretty sure, is gonna be Louie's nursery, and then hopefully in the future, another baby's nursery. But this is where we're gonna set up the nursery. It's got 2 nice closets, and this is the other bedroom, what will start off as a guest room, but then will probably eventually become Louie's room when we move him out of the nursery. I love how bright this room is, and we are going to be redoing the floors, because as you can see, this carpet has, it needs to be replaced. I love this window too, although we may end up taking it out. I'm not sure. It's gotta be replaced. You can see there's like a crack in it anyways, so I don't know if we're going to replace it or how expensive that would be. It might be cheaper just to remove it, we'll see, but 2 closets again. This is the kids' bathroom upstairs. Hello. Some point, very much down the line, I'm sure we will redo this, probably do 2 sinks, a bigger mirror, your pretty typical standard bathroom, got a closet back there. I like the floor in here. And then there's like this little loft space. I don't really know what we're gonna do with this. I mean, definitely gonna put a Christmas tree here during the holidays, but you've got like this little indent. I don't really know what we're gonna do with it, but it's kind of cool and cute. And then here is our bedroom. When you first walk in, we have like a little linen closet, which is nice. And then back here, we have our big walk-in closet. I'm so excited about this. Is there? No, the light currently doesn't work, but so much space. I feel like eventually we can do built-ins or something. I don't know. We could even put an actual dresser in here, actually. Here we go. Here's the actual room. One of my favorite things about this house, and what made me so excited about it, was how long the windows are. I mean, the ceilings are already pretty high, but then the windows go like all the way almost to the bottom, like to the floor, which I love. This is the bathroom. Is there? Oh, it's a pocket door. Okay, I thought there was no door for it. What I'm really excited about, and this was Tim's idea, there's like this little indent, which I feel like you could make a closet, but he's like, we can add in like a little built-in desk there, and then add a mirror with lighting, and this can be like my little makeup section. So I'm really excited about that. This mirror is kind of cool. I don't really like it actually, but this, again, master bathroom is going to be a complete reno at some point in the future. Not anytime soon probably, with the amount of other things that we're doing, because obviously, like I said, we're doing the kitchen and that's going to be expensive, but the lighting here is awesome. And then we have this massive tub. Look at that. That's so cool. There's so much space in this bathroom that when we do decide to go ahead and update it, there'll be plenty of room to work with. And I love how we're just surrounded by trees here, so it like feels like I'm in a tree house. I think it's so pretty. Oh, the other thing that I didn't mention is that another project way down the line that we're planning on doing is like adding space above the garage, finishing that off to be like a play area, hangout area, slash potentially another bedroom. So that is very exciting. I think I'm so excited about the potential. There's so many different exciting things that we want to do with this house, and like as time goes on, add to it and change things, and I'm so excited. Right now, we have some family friends coming over soon who actually used to own a kitchen shop, and they're gonna, or not kitchen shop, like kitchen store. What am I saying? Like they used to redo people's kitchens. They had a business for it. And they're gonna give us some advice and thoughts on our kitchen, because tomorrow we're gonna start ripping out the cabinets. When I say we, I mean Tim. I would love to actually be able to help. I told him I wanted to be like, I want to be a part of that part as well. However, we don't have anyone to watch Louie tomorrow because my mom is away. So I don't think that's gonna be possible, but I had to share this. Tim gave Louie a thing of toilet paper to try and entertain him because I forgot to bring toys, and it is working quite well. I was just putting Tim's straw in his like Duchess Coke that I got him, and I realized that I put the Duchess straw in mine, and I didn't realize that it wasn't a green straw. And now that I do realize it, it's really bothering me, but I'm not gonna switch it because I don't want Coke in my coffee. We're currently outside the house waiting for Tim. He went to wash his hands. Say hi, buddy. As soon as Tim gets back and starts eating his lunch, I'll take you inside and show you the updates. This is part of our driveway. Okay, let's do a little bit of an update of where we're at right now. What I'm looking at looks nothing like what you just saw. So this is where the washer dryer was. Now there is nothing there. This is actually gonna be a closet, like just a regular mudroom coat closet. This whole space is our mudroom. This used to be a bathroom. Now it is totally cleared out. This is actually gonna be the pantry, which will then lead you into the kitchen. which does not look like a kitchen currently. This is just absolutely insane as I walk through. This is crazy. So this is the view of the kitchen from my empty house tour. And then here is what it is looking like. There obviously used to be a wall here. Tim completely took that wall out and then he rebuilt another wall there, or like he just finished reframing the new wall because we're gonna push that back a little bit so that we have room for an island here. So there's no longer gonna be a peninsula, it'll be a big island in the middle. And then obviously that corner was like a corner stove. He knocked all that down. And then in here, oh, the other thing, like I had said, what used to be the powder room over there, and that we're now making into a pantry. So we needed a first floor bathroom still. So we decided to, again, this poor room is being taken from, but it's okay, it's gonna be a great space anyways. He cut a wall here. And then this is gonna be our little powder room bathroom. We actually already got the sink and the toilet for it. So you can see he started framing it out. And then this is still where we're gonna have doors, and then this is gonna come into, oh, don't mind all the insulation he ripped out. This room is still gonna be my office slash a guest room. As you can see, this place isn't like full demo, but then we come, obviously this will be the dining room, and then we come into the living room. Doesn't really look that much different actually right now. It's more just like storage for everything. And as you can see, a whole lot of bottles. We got some champagne that our friends had brought over that we never ended up drinking yet, but we will. Tim has this whole scaffolding thing here that he used to like get up on the, I forget why he had to do that, but he had to do that. And then I'll take you upstairs because there is pretty decent update there as well. Obviously, like I said, we don't have the laundry downstairs anymore. So my initial tour, I had showed this space. Oh, whoops, it's blurry. And I was like, I don't know what we're gonna do with it because it's a beautiful space, but it's like a little loft that, you know, we just don't know what to do with. We ended up deciding this is gonna end up being our laundry. So Tim actually pushed that wall back a little bit, and then we're gonna get stackables put here and here. And then I think over on this side, we're probably gonna do like a little table. He is gonna wall this, so this isn't all gonna be open. Well, it's gonna be open up until like this place, I think is the plan. And then that's gonna be a wall with a big French door right there. So it still lets in all the light from that window. But this whole space right here will be like an upstairs laundry, which will be really nice. Just a little bit of a bump out here, but that was so that the washer dryer doesn't get pushed like in front of that window, obviously. New carpeting is definitely on the game plan here. And then nothing's changed in here, and then nothing has changed in here either. Although I do have to use the bathroom, so give me one sec. So those are the updates. I can't really walk down the stairs and focus on. And as we make more and more progress, obviously I'll continue doing more like updates of where we're at and everything, but I'm so excited with how it's coming along. Ooh, let's do another so that once it's all done, I wanna get this angle. Here's the before. And then I'm gonna snap my fingers and it's all gonna be updated and a beautiful kitchen and finished. Okay, not working yet.